Let's see how quickly these 12-volt drills can drill 6 1 5/8 inch wood screws into our 4x6. The Warrior is really held back with its single speed limitation, and it takes over 2 seconds to complete its first screw. I can tell you right now, I hate using that one. That one is not fun to use. The HyperTuff blows past the Warrior with a blazing 0.75 seconds. That was not bad. The Hercules, holding its own, comes in with a solid performance of 1 second. Pretty surprised with that one. That's pretty nice. The Skil edges out the HyperTuff, clocking in at 0.71 seconds. That's nice. Wow, the M12 just set the bar even higher, ripping through its first screw in an incredibly fast 0.64 seconds. The Milwaukee Fuel absolutely dominated this screw test, averaging a blazing 0.67 seconds across all 6 screws.